back to Kelly Plans It All. I'm Kelly and I am sharing a really cool unboxing this week. We're kind of finishing up that Valentine situation, and this was a really cool craft kit that Design Pandemonium put out. It's like a seasonal, I forget what they call it, like a seasonal maker bundle, I think. I'll look at there's a paper inside that says, I have my address covered up on top, but it's basically like a seasonal craft kit, and they send you all the supplies, like literally all the supplies, so that you can make something cool. So yeah, seasonal maker bundle. I have already opened it because I wanted to take off most of the like crinkly package so that it didn't create a glare on the cello bags and all that. So I have pre-unwrapped some things, but I wanted to share what comes in this. So this is the very first seasonal maker bundle, and this is the Sent with Love bundle. And so basically it is all the supplies you need to make cute little cards for Valentine's Day or Galentine's Day or whatever you're into, as well as some planner stickers. So there is a lot here that you can really make some custom cool handmade cards to send to people that you love. Or if you're someone who doesn't send cards but you want to make dashboards or bookmarks or things for your planner in a Valentine's theme, or you just like red and pink and hearts and it doesn't have to be for Valentine's. I mean, you can really do a lot with this. So when I say they send you everything, they literally send you everything. Like, yeah, you probably do already own scissors, but just in case you don't, they sent you scissors. Now, I did have to put a sticky note over these. They sent a sheet of custom address labels with your address pre-printed on them. So I'm not sharing that on the internet. So I covered that up. Sorry. They also sent some little gift tags and then just some little decorative stickers so you can add some embellishment to your cards. As far as other tools, they added a glue tape runner. So again, we're crafty people. A lot of us have this already, but just in case you don't, they got you covered. That's awesome. Some other decorative stuff, glitter drops. I have never used these before. So I'm going to have to do like a little test and see like how it works, how they dry. I'm super excited about this because I love glitter. I love pink, and just crafting is cool. So I'm down for that. There's also a little bit of ribbon included if you wanted to add like a little bow, or maybe even bind some pieces together and make like a little flippy book. I mean, you could do anything with that. Super cool. They gave some little like Valentine's-y paper clips. There's a little bit of this like paper twine kind of stuff. You could repurpose this card and do something with it. I mean, it's really just meant to hold these on here. I don't think it's meant to be like part of the kit or whatever, but you could repurpose it if you wanted to. That's the great thing about that craft colored cardstock. They've got some adhesive mounting stickers. So these help make your embellishments 3D and stick up off the card a little bit. If you want them to lay flat, you use like a tape, a glue tape runner. But if you want to create some dimension, you can use these and they'll create a little raise there. That's really cool. So this bag says gifts for friends, and yes, I have already opened it because everything that was in here was in a cello bag, so I took it out so that we didn't have all the glare of the cello. So these are to share, that you can include in your little cards to friends. There's thanks for being such an amazing friend. There's a few of these with the little clippy on them, and then there's little sticker sheets to share. So much like the one that they gave me to embellish packages with, they gave some more that you could include in your cards to send to your planner friends, or your friends who craft, or your friends who like stickers, or whatever. A little Valentine sticker. And then a little thing, you can write a little message on here. You could clip some other something on there that you wanted to give. I mean, again, limitless possibilities. And then these are your envelopes. And they are just plain envelopes, but they are built to be embellished. They are already cut and, folded, have the adhesive. They're just normal white envelopes ready to go. So you can make whatever you want with those as far as making them decorative. Then you've got a cardstock pad, and this is all designed by Design Pandemonium. There are like cards you can cut out or pieces you can cut out and then mount on another piece. There's little decorative doodahs. There's so much going on here. The paper is double-sided. So you can truly do what you want. Like I said, if you're not like super crafty and don't want to make a whole like card thing, there's basically pre-made cards here for you. You can just cut them, mount them on another piece, and it's going to look super fancy, like you're this super creative card maker. Love this. That is so cool. And then, because you gotta decorate your planner too, they are a planner company originally, but you know, crafts are crafts for us people usually. There's a whole weekly kit here. So there's decorative, there's your functional and some full boxes. There's some little quarter boxes, and then some more functional bits. All your checklists, your day covers, and your bottom washi. And then if you've never used Design Pandemonium before, all of this on the side is washi. So you've got some other coordinating washi strips you can use to, you can use them on the cards, you can use them in your planner, you can use them anywhere. So this is just super cool. I'm way looking forward to what I'm going to create with these, because I'm filming this before Valentine's Day. So by the time Valentine's Day happens, I will have made something, and I'll share some pictures on Instagram and stuff so that you'll have seen them. But I'm really looking forward to more of these maker bundles. I think we've been at home for so long right now, you know, and it's, you know, we aren't doing the things that we like to go out and do. And so to have something different to do at home is super cool. I do love that it's not monthly, because I feel like monthly craft kits is a lot of pressure to make something every month, and sometimes you don't have the time or the want. But seasonal is great, because usually it's the season that makes you excited about something new anyway, and gives you the opportunity to create. So keep an eye out on Design Pandemonium. If you're not following them, make sure you go follow them on Instagram, join their Facebook group, sign up for their newsletter and emails on their website. That way you can be in the know when the next maker bundle drops, because Jess and Vicky are just, first of all, the nicest people in the world, I think. And they come up with the coolest things, and you don't want to miss out on what they drop next. So thank you again so much for watching. This was not a long video. I'm being real brief this week, but it is just something that I really thought was so cool and wanted to share. So keep an eye out for the next Design Pandemonium seasonal maker. Bleh, I can't talk. Seasonal maker bundle. And then, you know, chat me up on Instagram or in the comments about what you're making with yours, if you got yours, or what you're hoping to see in the next seasonal bundle. Thanks so much for watching again. Talk to you soon. Bye.